Dietmar Burkhart, a raw materials buyer at Bosch. 10 years ago we had an idea for a closed-loop recycling system. Instead of discarding valuable material remnants, we process them into new raw materials. Right here in Martignaco, we are already putting this into practice for saw blade production. Today, our carbide products are made from 20% recycled material, and we are working on increasing that percentage even further. This is cemented carbide powder, a mixture of tungsten carbide and cobalt. Valuable materials that later make saw blade tips extremely sharp and durable. Our idea was to recycle everything left over from the cemented carbide tip production process ourselves. We call this circular economy. It helps us to reuse materials, secure supply chains and stay competitive. But how does a sustainable recycling process begin? Come, follow me.
Hi, I'm Piero Lupetin, a material specialist here in Martignaco. Together with my team, we ensure that our cemented carbides match our highest quality standards. Here in our laboratory, the first thing that we do is the analysis of our raw materials. Only if the raw materials lots match our requirements, we release them for our production. This sets the basis to create the best carbide tips for our circular saw blades.
And this is how it all comes together. The cemented carbide powder is pressed, sintered and processed into extremely durable tips for saw blades. The finished cemented carbide tips are then transported from Martignaco to Fagagna, where they are further processed into saw blades. Here, the delivered cemented carbide tips are placed onto the saw blades, ensuring precise and long-lasting cutting. This process generates grinding sludge, and our goal is to sustainably recycle it across all Bosch plants worldwide.
In the past, these material remnants were sent to an external raw material trader. And this brings us to the key point. Why not process them ourselves and feed them directly back into our Bosch cycle? Today, we process material remnants in a way that allows a specialized facility to extract new raw material from them, just as high quality as freshly mined material. Here you can see the pellets we pressed from the leftovers and sent on for further processing.
And this is how the cycle is completed. The recycled material, after undergoing a complex chemical process, returns to us as fresh tungsten carbide powder of the highest quality and flows back into our production. Here you can see our raw powders. Chemically, there is no difference between virgin and recycled materials, making it perfect for producing the next cemented carbide tips.
Our goal is to produce saw blades of the highest quality for Bosch Power Tools, with maximum sharpness, precision and durability. But it's about more than just performance. The more we recycle, the fewer raw materials need to be mined, and the more independent we become from global supply chains. With this recycling process, Bosch not only enhances its competitiveness, but also takes an important step towards supply security and sustainability.